Today lesson will be about command called find. This find, it's for use for the finding the files by their name, not by the content, by the way, not what is inside. So find. Okay, let's check where we are first. pwd. So in the root directory. So let's go to the home directory. cd tilde. Okay. Here we are. What's inside? It's WordPress and latest zip. So let's go to the WordPress sd, change directory WordPress, and here we are. Okay, ls list files, and let's start to work with that folder. So find. Let's find file with the name. By the way, when we wrote find, look here. So what's done? So it's interpreted that we didn't give any argument, so it's take that we meant that all files, all arguments account. So he shows the files inside of this folder, all files. So find command. Okay, without argument find. For example, let's find the VP files. So VP mail. Here VP mail file, mail PHP, and it's found it. Here we are. Or let's find with a mask file, or a couple of files. For example, find VP mail and VP settings file, PHP, and it's done. He found two files for us. Now let's use a mask for the file. So we look for we find one file, then we found two files, and let's use the mask find, for example. Then let's say with the extension PHP files, and it shows us files which has extension PHP on it in the end of it. Cool. ls again 3. So let's look recursively. For example, is it this command? No, there is not such command. So find help. By the way, let's look what is help. So okay, there's different depth, max depths, levels, and so forth, and etc. Exec, command, action, delete, print file. It's all the same. Okay, so let's look, find file with depth 2, for example, depth just without this 2, for example, or L2. Okay, gives nothing. So it should be depth, max depth, levels 2. Sorry. Path must perceived. Okay, this one. No, this one. Anyway, yes, this one. So, and it's showing us this path, and it's not showing anything with the depths. Okay, doesn't matter. So finds file with for example, we changed for the last 2 days. So m time, and then -2, it's mean 2 days, nothing. Or let's say 1,000 days, and it's showing these files. Cool. So we can also, for example, we can start a program if you want. So for example, find all files with PHP, and then exec, and bear in mind there is no symbols, it's arguments, so we can find and delete. without you don't need to combine the files. So, and it's mean that's removed all files with such name. Done. And as we see, he deleted all files with that extension. So let's go wp content, not wp admin, for example, lc. There's a lot of PHP files. Let's find out them and delete. So find again asterisk PHP, then exec, it's mean execute a certain command, then rm, so remove, and that's mean mask, so it's deleting everything, and that is the path for the folder. Done. Let's check it out. There's no files with the PHP extension anymore. So cool. Now also we can find and delete files with different size. For example, it's let's go for example back, so change directory and higher folder. So let's go to the vp admin cd vp includes, for example, lc. So, and let's delete all files which size more than 1 kilobyte. So it's actually all of them probably. Find again the command find, then just all files which has size more than plus more than 1 byte. Done. lc, and key b. So okay, so he'd find all files which is more than 1 byte. Let's try to find which is more than 1 megabyte, and here we are. We have these files which are more than 1 megabyte. Maybe we can LC them. So for example, let's find them and look at them. So LCL, it's not, he's not combining that command, he's just giving the another command again. So okay, so that was the command find.